the air filter is located on the right side of this specific Briggs Stratton 7.00 Flathead engine. This is an older model. So I'm just going to remove the screw, pull out the air cleaner. You can see that's really bad. You've got to replace that one. So if it's just a little bit dirty, you can maybe tap it on something, maybe blow it out. But if it's really dirty like that, gummed up, you're gonna have to replace it. So now I'm just cleaning out the base and the cover, blowing it a few times. And here's the new air filter. I'm using a Briggs Stratton OEM part. Briggs Stratton 491588S. So I'm just going to install it like that. You take your cover, latch it in the 3 holes down there, and start the screw. And you can tighten the screw down. Not crazy tight, just snug. That's good there. Now, how do you prevent this from happening in the future? Well, your air filter is a regular part of maintenance and servicing, and so you should expect to have to replace it every season. Maybe you can go more than that if it's clean, if you don't use it much, if it's just occasional use. But as you saw, this air filter was very clogged up with oil. So actually, when you tip your mower over to change the blade, there's a certain way you have to tip it. So if you tip it with the carburetor and air filter side down, the oil is going to run into the air filter and get it saturated like that, and then it's going to get clogged really quickly. So whenever you're tipping your mower, you want to tip it carburetor side up, muffler side down. So you tip it like that. Now if you have carburetor issues, it can kind of do the same thing if it's leaking fuel or something like that. But oil, I see, is the most common type of issue that causes your air filter to clog quicker than normal. So that's all there is to changing the air filter, and a few tips for you.